The teams that are used at Kennedy and LaGuardia greatly speed up wait time.
In total, more than 750 TSA officers will be added at the country's busiest airports. By one estimate, 231 million people will fly commercially this summer. 231 million. That's a lot. I know.
You've been wanting to get away the last few days, but maybe hold off on getting out of town the next 2 days.
Stick around.
So I was wondering, are people treating you nicer now that the sun is out? You always get a hard time when the weather's not doing right.
Yeah, I get a hard time in general, but, today maybe it's a little bit better. Get to be the mayor, Columbus Avenue when we're out there. But, yeah, it is a little easy. You don't have to do weather therapy on the street. Outside we go. We have what is a mainly sunny now afternoon in New York City, and folks are really enjoying it. There are a couple of sprinkles off to the north, but not a big deal. 64 degrees, the humidity at 45%, and a south wind at 13 miles an hour. The pressure is on the fall, and this is our first above normal day in the last 5 days. It's only the 6th above normal day of the month, so the average high is 72. We crept above that by 1. There's the sunset time at 8:11. It's going to be a beautiful evening. Now, the sea breeze kicked in, so you might need just a light jacket, especially in Howard Beach or Ridgewood, let's say Sunset Park, or Oakwood still at 68. It's 65 in Riverdale. And then once we get away from that Atlantic breeze, you're comfortably in the 70s here from Sussex to Poughkeepsie and then back toward Trenton, New Jersey. So nice evening. Any clouds will start to shrink away during the early evening hours. There's just a sprinkle threat north and east of New York City. We'll clear skies out after that. Got a bunch of sunshine tomorrow. Nice start, cool and comfortable, and then 71 at noon and upper 70s during the afternoon hours. What happens during a day like this is because you have some cool air in the upper atmosphere. When the sun cooks the atmosphere a little bit, we percolate a couple of these little showers, and that's what we're seeing north and east of New York City. I mean, they're very brief. They're lights, couple sprinkles, a little steadier east of Danbury and let's say toward Newtown. Other than that, we're just on the southern fringe of this circulation, which will slowly ease out, and then this nice area of high pressure will build in. That's our fair weather friend into the day tomorrow, and I'm hoping it could actually help with our weather on Saturday indirectly, because we're watching the severe weather go from Texas into Louisiana. That's going to be a low that comes up the eastern seaboard, and I'm hoping that high can just suppress it to the south a little bit. Futurecast in the short term will just show this sprinkle threat through the first few hours of the evening, might linger to Long Island or eastern Long Island to maybe 10 or 11. Tomorrow, of course, the best bet of the 7-day, upper 70s, lots of sunshine. And then look at this depiction of this storm on Saturday. Now, first of all, the morning looks okay. The rain would move in during the afternoon and maybe even at the evening hours, and it might be really centered south of New York City. I think you're looking at a wet day in Monmouth and Ocean County, maybe Middlesex. But in New York City, Long Island, northern New Jersey, Hudson Valley, it might just be the occasional showers and not a washout, and the best chance of that rain may be in the afternoon. So think about morning if you need to get some outdoor activities done. Isolated shower early, clearing and comfy 54, 77 tomorrow. Finally, mostly sunny and warm, and then tomorrow night, 57 degrees and some increase in cloudiness. All right, so here's what we're working on for 5:30. How about that weekend forecast? Could a few spots, especially to the north, actually have a wetter day on Sunday? Not that it's a washout, versus Saturday. I'll explain in the 7-day. It does look like it'll be unsettled early next week. We'll check in on that, but how about 80 by midweek? And can it last into the holiday weekend? Your 7-day AccuWeather forecast and beyond in our next half hour. Diana, back to you for now.
Okay, thanks, Lee. A Colorado movie theater will not be held liable for the massacre that took place there 4 years ago. A jury issued the verdict today after victims argued that lax security led to the shooting that killed 12 people near Denver. The theater argued that there was no way it could have prevented James Holmes from carrying out the attack. Holmes is serving a life sentence for the massacre.
City Bike is expanding its reach into Brooklyn and further north in Manhattan just in time for summer. The bikes will be available in 6 Brooklyn neighborhoods, including Park Slope and Red Hook. There will also be more stations in Manhattan, up to 110th Street. Altogether, about 140 new docking stations are being added. The expansion is set to begin in August. Insider trading with a pro golfer caught in the middle of the investigation. Tonight, why Phil Mickelson says he feels vindicated after being tied to the case. Plus, disturbing details on how a 13-year-old was held captive in a home in Ohio for a year and how she finally escaped. And the twin astronauts return home to New Jersey to receive an honor from their old elementary school.
From D.C., it's Jeopardy Power Players Week with Senator Al Franken, Anna Navarro, and Sonny Hostin.
Tonight at 7, right here on ABC 7.
Honda knows just because you're looking for a utility vehicle doesn't mean you're looking for adventure. But sometimes, adventure finds